Hello, dear viewers. So good to have you join me today as I delve into yet another exciting USA driving lesson. As always, I'm Miss Stacy, your beloved driving instructor. In today's video, we are going to be looking at this intriguing question that you see on the screen here. Do you think you have what it takes to solve it? The question for today reads, which car goes first? In simpler terms, we are just trying to figure out which car has the right of way at this intersection. So guys, hope you are ready. Let's get into it. So to answer this question correctly, let's first get to understand more about the USA road rules concerning giving the right of way and when exactly should a vehicle give right of way to another vehicle. Here are the key rules regarding right of way when dealing with traffic from your right in the United States. At an uncontrolled intersection with no traffic signals or traffic signs, the vehicle that's on the right has the right of way. This means that if two vehicles approach an uncontrolled intersection at the same time, the vehicle that's approaching on the right should proceed first. Henceforth, the vehicle on the left must first yield the right of way to the vehicle on the right. Likewise, at a four-way stop intersection, the first vehicle to come to a complete stop, that's before the stop line, should immediately go first. Furthermore, if two vehicles arrive and do stop at the same time, the vehicle on the right has the right of way and should proceed first. And all other vehicles must also yield to the vehicles on their right. Also, when merging into traffic from an entrance ramp or simply a side street, you must yield the right of way to the vehicles already in the lane you are merging into. Vehicles already in the lane have the right of way, and you must wait for a safe gap to safely merge. Then finally, when turning left at an intersection, you must yield the right of way to oncoming traffic going straight. The oncoming traffic has the right of way over vehicles turning left. Yielding the right of way to vehicles on your right is a very important safety rule to follow, especially when driving in the United States. With all that in mind, let's try to figure this thing out. Car B yield right of way to Car A because Car A is approaching from the right of Car B. In the same manner, Car A yield its right of way to Car C because it's approaching from the right of Car A. So ultimately, Car C is the only car with nothing approaching from its right. So it has the right of way. But let's just wait a minute. Car C seems to be turning left and there is an oncoming traffic. Remember what we just said about turning left in front of oncoming traffic. We said when a car is turning left at an intersection, it must yield its right of way to oncoming traffic going straight. So basically we are saying the oncoming traffic, which is Car B, has the right of way over left turning vehicle, which is Car C. So to simply bring this matter to an end, Car B will be the first car to cross this intersection, followed by Car C, and the last car to cross this intersection would be Car A. Well guys, there you have it. Remember guys, to keep learning and don't ever stop learning. A safe driver is always a well-informed driver. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your friends and family. Again, I'm Miss Stacy, and it's really been a great pleasure, guys, teaching you these important driving concepts. See you in our next video and be sure not to miss it. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.